This is the one you've all been asking for, the MTW AK. So you may ask, why is it an MTW? This is our own receiver design. This is not an AEG with HPA shoved inside. This is our own receiver design, patent pending, trunnion and engine chassis system at the front. It uses MTW engines, it uses MTW hop-ups. It will include a BLINC Bluetooth FCU for AK, and it is compatible with the MTW line of accessories. So your stocks, this one has the recoil stock on it. The MTW HPA stocks will also work here. It takes real steel grips, tons and tons of cool stuff. We're really excited to bring this to you, and I'm going to show you one more thing here real quick. So this is a sort of beta test feature that we are releasing with this gun. It is in the app. Well, we'll show you here. Just demo it. Shoot, shoot. Oh, it stopped. What happened? Well, we changed our mag. Still nothing. You have your functioning charging handle. There's an optical sensor that reads the motion of the charging handle, so you can set in your app how many rounds are in your mag, and then it will stop firing when the mag is empty, and you restart it firing by cycling the charging handle like so. This is the way it will come out of the box with the pick rail up top, and this is the furniture we'll be including. Basically, that's your out-of-the-box look right there. We have the 2026 release of the Daniel Defense. This is, as always, a super popular item, has all the proper engravings licensed. These and the Gen 12 are licensed in collaboration with EVIX Manufacturing Group. And then the cool updates for 2026 are that, again, XTS and Bluetooth updates inside, keeping the price the same on these, but giving you guys the newer technology on that. So it'll be an XB version of the RIS2 Mark 18. And then last year at IWA, the big thing we showed was the Fossil Series Dig 1. It was the first release of our Fossil collection, which is our super limited edition releases. This is the Fossil Dig 2. Okay, this is a proper XM177 replica. Comes with the fixed carry handle upper, which we had a whole bunch of people asking for. Forged lower receiver. It comes with the compensator, the correct six-hole handguard, and straight retaining ring instead of the tapered one. The Car 15 stock. It'll have the A1 grip. This one has an A2 grip on it. It's what we had when we sent the sample over. And it'll come with a metal mid-cap magazine, limited edition engraving. This is a demo, but we'll have a 1 to 200. There are only 200 of these being made. Another new thing that we're going to be releasing later this year is the XTS and BLINC for AEG. So this is our BLINC Bluetooth integrated control board that we'll be doing a V2 version of. It will be sold by itself, as well as in combination with an AEG version of the XTS Inferno engine. Over here, these do have some updates that we released late last year. The Forged series got the XBR updates. XTS Bluetooth Recoil is what that stands for. So this is the tactical XBR. So this is has all the bells and whistles. This is the Forged receiver set, Mark II rail, which is really pretty, super lightweight with your M-LOK on the sides, QD sling points front and rear, Invictus Mark II rail, it's XBR, so it has the XTS, Bluetooth, and recoil all in here, all the bells and whistles, and then we have the XB version down here, which doesn't include the recoil. And then up at top, the 308 also got the XTS, Bluetooth, and recoil in the tactical XBR here, right here. And then some other really cool stuff, some new updates. So we temporarily took the Gen 12 out of production to make some updates to it. This is the Taran Tactical. This was voted the most anticipated product of 2025. And This has the Havoc shotgun engine inside. Again, for those of you that aren't familiar, semi and full auto capable HPA shotgun. The original version did 8 BBs per shot. It was a true shotgun. This version, in order to try to increase acceptance and comply with some different rule sets, this is going to be a 6 BB variant of the Havoc engine. Still the same basic technology, but 6 BBs instead of 8. The John Wick version here is also getting the Bluetooth BLINC FCU coming installed as well. And then, in addition to the John Wick version, we're releasing the Gen 12 SBS version. So this is not Taran Tactical licensed, this is just licensed. Gen 12 has the single-sided charging handle as opposed to the dual-sided charging handle. Again, that's correct to the real firearm. Some more basic furniture on this one, just trying to keep the cost down on this one and make it more accessible for people. Comes with the Spartan electronics, 6 BB version of the Havoc engine, and comes with the shorter 5-round style mag, same internals as the big mag, but here from our 308, and this is the 7-inch version as opposed to the 10-inch length on the John Wick shotgun. So really cool. These will be out later this year.